The heat pump sector is a growing market with broad sustainability potential. In 2017, 1.1 million units were sold, and by 2024, the number of installations will likely have doubled. This is a huge challenge for the industry, and there's an urgent need for public and private investment in the development, maintenance, and improvement of the knowledge and experience of stakeholders in this sector. The HP4ALL project is addressing this need. It will enhance, develop, and promote the skills required for high-quality, optimised heat pump installations within residential and non-residential buildings, bringing Europe to the forefront of the climatization sector. The HP4ALL consortium aims to achieve the energy efficiency gains afforded by heat pumps by working with supply-side and demand-side stakeholders, including manufacturers, installers, building owners, and the public sector. With such investments, the industry will not only train tens of thousands of workers and create a highly skilled workforce, it will also lead to sustainable growth by introducing better and more efficient heat pumps, with the aim of decarbonising the heating, ventilation, air conditioning and cooling sector by 2050.